Hey guys, welcome back. I'm sitting in my car right now. It's getting dark. The sun is setting behind me, so I'm sorry if the lighting is really crappy. But I'm out here. Joas is sleeping. It's not even dark yet, but he's so exhausted, and I just wanted to come sit out in my car so I can be loud and I don't wake him up. So today's video is really exciting, but also kind of random. This isn't something that I usually do on my channel, but I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys and tell you that, or announce it, I guess, that we are building a house. And I have posted some things on my Instagram stories, just like here and there, so some of you guys may have already guessed it. Some of you may not even notice or be interested, so I totally get that. I know a lot of you guys just follow me for my hair videos, but I did want to actually announce it and tell you guys on here. It's just getting darker by the minute, so I'm going to turn these lights on. I know that is such bad quality, you guys, but I just need some better lighting here. So I don't want this to be a super long intro, but I just want to do a little chatty thing here and just talk to you guys about this. This is super exciting for us. Both me and Joas have never had an experience like this. The fact that we get to build our own house and make it how we want. The location is super, super close to where we live right now, so it's so easy for us to get to. But it's a lot of work. Joas has been going to bed super early when he can because he's exhausted. And that's really because we've been doing a lot of the work ourselves. Joas' family is really good with construction. Joas is good in construction. It's literally his job. And we've had a lot of help from a lot of people, which is super, super amazing. So we're really hoping that we can move in by November. I know things get pushed back. It's not for sure, but we're really hoping that we can move in by November. And we're just so excited for this next stage in our life. I don't know if this is even something that you guys will be interested in. I want to post some clips of the building process along the way in this video. I kind of just want to document it even for us, even just if it's just for us and none of you guys are interested. I know that someone is setting fireworks off back there. I was not expecting that. Anyways, even if you guys aren't interested in it, and this is just something that we're documenting for us, I still wanted to do this video and put these clips together and kind of compile it all. I don't know if you guys will be interested in seeing house updates or more vlogs or something like that, but I do want to for sure film a empty house tour once the house is built and done and everything. I want to do that and put that up on my channel, and then maybe eventually we'll do a furnished house tour. I don't know what's going to happen, but I kind of just wanted to let you guys know. It's been really fun getting to pick out different things that we want, and it has been stressful. Obviously, there's a lot of things to decide. There's a lot going on constantly, and it's a little stressful, but we're so blessed and so grateful, and I just have to remind myself of how lucky we are that we're here. I would have never pictured. Sorry, I'm really sorry, guys, if you guys can hear the fireworks in the background. They're kind of loud, and they sound really close, so I don't know who is setting them off because we don't have neighbors super close to us. But what was I saying? I think I was just saying that we're lucky and excited that we get to have this opportunity. I wouldn't have pictured us here a couple of years ago. It's getting dark out here really fast. Wow, the sun is setting so quickly. So I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm just going to put in those clips that I told you guys about. Deer marks. How are you feeling about this progress, babe? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this might be kind of boring, but they just finished the subfloor. So now that's all done. The next thing that goes up is the walls, obviously, and then the roof. So we're getting there. This is the back of the house. This is gonna be yard. We're gonna clean this up, obviously, and add some dirt in here so that it's more even ground. Whoa, muddy. This is the back. Those big open spaces are windows that will go into the basement. So pretty and peaceful out here tonight. It's a mess right now, but y'all. Dining room.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, you want to hold on? Sorry, I didn't know what she was doing and I wanted to pose. Do I look like a mom?
I know.
This is water.
Look at him just leading the way. This is probably the last time I'm going to show you guys the outside of the house, just because it's still hard to tell like what exactly the outside is going to look like right now, but I don't want to show the outside of my house when it's all done, just for privacy purposes and safety purposes. So this is the inside. It's an absolute mess right now, but I just thought I'd show you guys what it's looking like. I just realized lately how much I've been focusing in the last like 6 months or so on doing hair videos, because I know that's what you guys want to see and I enjoy doing them. This is something I'm passionate about, like how much I've learned about my hair and how many people I've helped is shocking, to be honest. The amount of people that have DM'd me and commented and said that they have learned so much about their hair from my videos, like that makes me so happy to see that I'm actually helping you guys and I'm not just filming random stuff, you know? So that's a big deal to me, and this has been a stage in my YouTube channel that's really, really exciting. And I'm still going to be posting hair videos, you guys. Like that's my channel at this point. I know we didn't start out as that, but that's my channel now, and I will be posting a lot of hair content. I'm not going to stop doing that. But I realized that I've been focusing so much on that, and I've been focusing on growing my YouTube channel in the last couple months. And I kind of got away from filming the content that I really love. The content that I love to watch. It makes me excited when I post a video. And obviously, like I said, I get super excited to post hair videos, but there's just something, like I've always wanted to do different types of content. Lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, whatever I feel like doing, and I haven't really been doing that lately. I have posted a few fragrance videos, which I love fragrance, and those are really fun for me to do because it's something I'm super passionate about outside from just hair. So it's just the whole concept of mixing it up, because I am passionate about wavy and curly hair. It's just mixing it up for me. Like I have so many things I'm passionate about. I want to be able to talk about all of them, or at least a few of them. So it's fun for me to be able to do lifestyle content too, and I want to do more of it. I'm not just going to be doing that, don't worry you guys, but I do want to add more of it into my channel and make this feel more like a community where like I can just sit down and chat with you guys about random stuff. It doesn't always have to be a hair tutorial, you know? And if you guys don't want to see that, like I totally get that. You don't have to watch these videos, but so it's not like I'm stopping that. I'm still going to be doing a lot of hair videos. It's just I want to do more lifestyle, more like whatever I feel like, vlogs, beauty, you know, especially when we move, I will be posting more vlogs. I already know that. It's really hard in this house because we're renting an old farmhouse right now, and this place just gets dirty so easily. I know you guys have probably seen clips in the backs of my videos. There's like wallpaper up. It's definitely like hard for me to want to keep up with this place right now because I know that we're moving to a house that we're actually going to love. Even decor, like I've had zero interest in decorating this spring and summer, and usually I love spring decor. It's just hard for me to want to do that right now, and so it's hard for me to want to vlog. So obviously I'm going to be doing more of that when we move, but I hope you guys are interested in it. Like I said, if you're not, that's totally okay. I totally get that. But I want to get back to doing a mix of things and filming the content that I love too, if you know what I'm saying. But I'm going to stop rambling now because it's getting dark really fast and I'm going to go inside. I don't want to be out here after dark. I am such a baby. You guys, I have constant nightmares about someone breaking into our house. I know it's bad, but like I have serious fears. So I'm gonna go inside before it gets dark. I'm going to stop the filming here. I filmed a little outro clip. I was over at the house last night and it was a mess. I filmed a little outro clip, but yeah, if you guys have been here on my channel for a while, or if you just joined me, regardless of what types of videos you like to watch from me, I am so thankful for you. Thank you so much for supporting me, for subscribing. Literally, it means so much. We are so close to like 30,000 right now. I know we're just at like, what is it? Almost 27K? Or is it 27K? Has it hit? I'm not sure. I can't find my phone in here. I was looking for it earlier, but it's just crazy to me. I just never pictured the fact that it doubled so quickly. It's just crazy, and I'm so grateful. But yeah, I'm going to end this little clip here, and if you want to come over and join me on Instagram just to keep up with more, I'll be doing more updates over there now that I've actually announced this. I really hope that you guys will come over there and be a part of the community that we are growing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna go inside now because it's getting really dark. Excuse this quality, I'm on my phone right now, but I'm not gonna film every detail along the way. I just wanted to come over today and kind of show you guys where we're at right now, since I am posting this video announcing that we're building a house, which is crazy that I'm finally posting this video. I feel like it's been put off for a long time now because I wanted us to have like a decent amount done by the time that I post this. But yeah, this is where we're at, just still like a empty shell, kind of, and it's a mess in here right now, like I said, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. I know this isn't necessarily super exciting for you guys to see these random early stages of a house being built. It's more exciting later on when it's like cabinets for the kitchen or the tiles going in or something, but I wanted to announce this video now. I didn't want to wait for a couple months yet because I will be doing like an empty house tour and everything later on, but yeah, this is my little announcement. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want to see little vlogs or more updates on the house, then let me know in the comments down below. But regardless, I hope that you enjoyed this video anyways, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.